Hello friends, I hope you all are well. So in the previous video, in the previous part, we have seen that how an octal number system can be converted into different type of number systems. So in today's video, we will be seeing how an hexadecimal number system can be converted into other forms. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get our today's video started. The first one is hexadecimal number to decimal number system. So now, how we can convert if I have a hexadecimal number? Suppose I have a number, let's take a number D41. It is written in the hexadecimal form who has a base of 16, and I have to convert it into a decimal number who has a base of 10. So how we can convert this number into decimal number? The procedure is the same for all those number system when we are converting into decimal number system. How? Just take each digit and multiply by their base and raised to the power of their position number. Like this one, D is into 16 raised to the power 2 because it's on the second position, plus and add 4 into 16 into raised to power 1 plus 1 into 16 to the power of 0, because start from 0, 1, 2 and 3, not first, not second. This always starts, these things always start from 0th position. Okay, so here we have a letter D, because in hexadecimal number system, after 9 numbers from 0 to 9, then we don't write 10, 11, 12, 13. We represent them in form of alphabets. 10 represents A, 11 represents B, 12 represents C, 13 represents D, 14 represents E, and 15 represents F. So here D represents 13. 13 into 16 is to power 2 is 256, plus 4 into 16 is to power 1 is 16, plus 1 into 16 is to power 0 is 1. Okay, so now 13 into 256, just multiply, it will be 3228, plus 14 into 16 is 56, plus 64 into 16, it's 64. I'm sorry, it's 64, my mistake. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. So it will be 64 plus 1, 65, plus 3328 will be 3393. Okay, so this will be a decimal number for hexadecimal number D41. So I hope you understood how to do it. Now your question is, now you have to do this question. It's A2 16. You have to convert this into decimal number system. Just pause the video and do this. Okay, I hope you have done this question. So let's do it. So 6A represents 10. So it will be 10 into 16 cross 16 is to power. At which position is this? Its first position number. This is 0th position. This is first position. So this will be 1 is to power 1 plus 2 into 16 cross 16 is to power 0. So it will be 10 into 16 plus 2 into 1. It will be 160 plus 2. It will be 162. This will be your decimal number system, decimal number for hexadecimal A2. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now let's move on to the second one, that is hexadecimal number to binary number. So now let's see how you can convert if you have a hexadecimal number into binary number system. So let's take this thing only, this number only, which we have taken when we have converted into decimal number. So how we can convert this number into binary number? So we know that binary numbers only contains two bits, 0 and 1. So how you can convert it? What you have to do is just write their binary representation of each digit in 4 bits, because it's a hexadecimal number and it has 4-bit numbers. You got it from 0 to 15. There is 4-bit, and because of the formula it's 8421 formula. So D represents 13, and 13 according to 8421. 13 will be, it's 1101, because 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. 4 will be 0100, and 1 will be 0001. So because of this, when we put together all of them, it will be 1101 0100 0001. This will be your binary representation, binary number system of D41. Okay, this will be your binary number system. So this is how you write. Just what you have to do, just take the representation separately in 4-bit. For example, let's take another one, which is a simple one like 98 60, and you have to convert it binary. So just write their binary representation in 4 bits. So 9, the binary representation is 1001, and 8 is 1000. So this is your binary representation of hexadecimal 98. I hope you understood it. So now your homework, what you have to do is just you have to convert it B, C, D 16 into binary number. Okay, you have to convert this binary hexadecimal into binary. Just pause the video and do it. Okay, so now I hope everybody has done this. So now what will be the binary representation of BCD? So B is number 11 in decimal. So 11 is represented by 1011. C is 13. So C is 12. So it will be 1100, and D is 13. It will be 1101. So this will be the binary representation of hexadecimal BCD number. So I hope you understood this one. Let's move on to the last and final subtopic, that how to convert an hexadecimal into octal number system. Now let's see how we can convert a hexadecimal number. We have taken the same number and convert it into octal number system. So in octal number system, as we know, it ranges from 0 to 7. That means if we talk about its binary representation of octal, we have only 3 bits. But in hexadecimal, we have 4 bits. So if we have to convert this number into octal number system, we will have a middleman. That is, we have to first convert this thing in binary form, and from binary form we will convert it into octal number system. So binary system will act as a middleman. So just like in some time ago, we have converted this one. So what will be its binary form? 1101 0100 0001. This was its binary representation. Now this was done with the help of, when this number is represented in 4-bit binary form. But octal number system, we want 3. It's represented by 3 bits binary. So what we have to do, from left hand side, from the LSB side, just pair 3 bits. This, like this. Okay, just make a pair of 3 bits, and convert them into octal number system, or they're in octal form. So 110 is 6, 101 is 5, 000 is 0, 001 is 1. So 6501 is the octal representation of hexadecimal D41. Okay, so I hope you understood this much. So now let's move on to the one question, that is, you have to convert A12 into octal number system. So just pause the video and do it. Okay, so I hope you have done till now. So now let's see what will be the answer. So A12, so A is represented by, is a form of, an alternate form of 10. So 10 will be 1010, okay, in 4-bit binary, and 1 will be 0001 and 2 will be 0010. This is a binary form. And now from the LSB side, just make pair of 3 bits. So this will be, this will be, this will be, this will be. So 101 is binary representation of 5. 000 is 0, 010 is 2, 010 is 2. So 5022 is the octal representation of hexadecimal number A12. So I hope and you have understood how you can convert any number of number system into other forms. So I hope you have understood till now, and this was the last part of the topic number system. With this, number system has been completed, and in next series I'm going to start a new series, that is the questions based on all the number systems and logic gates in the next part. So now I have a request for you. If you liked the video, if you understood the video, the lectures which I am teaching you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future notifications. And please like this video. It gives me more motivation to make such kind of videos. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.